We're diving into a topic close to our hearts, clothes. Specifically, the age-old debate, cotton versus wash and wear. We've all been there, staring at two shirts with different laundry instructions. One promises breezy comfort, the other boasts low maintenance. Which one wins the fabric battle? Stay tuned as we break down the pros and cons to help you decide. Let's kick things off with the OG, the heavyweight champion cotton. This natural fiber has been a staple for centuries, deeply rooted in our history and culture. From ancient civilizations to modern times, cotton has been woven into the fabric of our lives. It's incredibly comfortable, like your favorite t-shirt that you never want to take off. Soft, breathable, and perfect for scorching summer days, cotton is a go-to choice for many. Whether it's a casual outing or a formal event, cotton's versatility shines through. From classic shirts to elegant kurtas, it fits every occasion. One of the best things about cotton is how it lets your skin breathe, preventing those annoying sweat patches. And let's not forget its absorbent nature, keeping you fresh and dry throughout the day. But like all good things, cotton has its quirks. Shrinkage is a common issue, especially if not cared for properly. And then there's the ironing. Cotton wrinkles easily, so be prepared to spend some quality time with your iron. Despite these quirks, cotton remains beloved by many. Its comfort, versatility, and timeless appeal make it a wardrobe staple. But what about its modern-day competitor? The fabric that promises to free us from the hassle of ironing and shrinkage. That's right, we're talking about wash and wear. Stay tuned as we dive into this revolutionary fabric that aims to make our lives easier. Despite its quirks, cotton remains beloved. It's comfortable, versatile, and timeless. But what about its modern-day competitor? The fabric that promises to free us from ironing. That's right, we're talking about wash and wear. Stay tuned. Now for the contender challenging cotton wash and wear. This fabric is revolutionizing the way we think about clothing care. This isn't your grandma's polyester. Gone are the days of stiff, uncomfortable materials. We're talking about modern synthetic and blended fabrics. These materials are designed for today's fast-paced lifestyle. These fabrics are the superheroes of the textile industry. Wrinkle-resistant? Check. Quick drying? Double check. They save you time and effort. Easy care? Check, check, check. No more spending hours on laundry day. Imagine pulling clothes out of the dryer, wrinkle-free and ready to wear. It's like having a personal assistant for your wardrobe. No ironing needed, just pure convenience. Perfect for those who are always on the go. Wash and wear fabrics are durable. They stand up to the rigors of daily life. They handle multiple washes, resist fading, and maintain shape. Your clothes look new, wash after wash. But every superhero has a weakness. Even the best fabrics have their downsides. For wash and wear, it's breathability. In hot weather, they can feel less comfortable. Synthetic materials don't always allow air to circulate. This can lead to discomfort and sweating. But technology is evolving, with breathable options available. Innovations are making these fabrics more comfortable. So don't write them off just yet. With the right choices, wash and wear fabrics can be a game changer for your wardrobe. So, there you have it, the tale of the tape. Cotton, the classic champion, known for comfort and versatility. It's breathable, soft, and perfect for those who appreciate a natural feel against their skin. And wash and wear, the modern marvel, celebrated for ease of care and durability. No more ironing, just wash, dry, and you're ready to go. The ultimate winner depends on you. Your lifestyle, your preferences, your daily routine. If you value comfort and don't mind ironing, cotton is for you. It's a timeless choice that never goes out of style. If you value convenience and hate ironing, wash and wear is your fabric. Perfect for the busy individual who needs to look sharp with minimal effort. Mix and match to find the perfect combination for your lifestyle. Blend the best of both worlds to suit any occasion. It's all about feeling confident and comfortable in your clothes. Choose what makes you feel your best every day. There you have it, the showdown between cotton and wash and wear. The choice is yours. There's no right or wrong answer. Choose clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. Conquer the world, one fabulous outfit at a time. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion face-offs and style tips. Until next time, peace out.